Balanced diet. Focus on maintaining a balanced diet that includes a variety of nutrient-dense foods. Incorporate plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats into your meals. Avoid excessive consumption of processed foods, sugary snacks, and high-calorie beverages. Portion control. Pay attention to portion sizes. Even healthy foods can lead to weight gain if consumed in large quantities. Using smaller plates, bowls, and utensils can help you control portions and prevent overeating. Regular exercise. Engage in regular physical activity. Aim for a mix of cardiovascular exercises, like walking, jogging, or cycling, and strength training to build lean muscle, which can help boost your metabolism. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Sometimes, thirst can be mistaken for hunger, leading to unnecessary snacking. Keeping well hydrated can help you control your appetite and support overall health. Sleep and stress management. Ensure you get enough restful sleep every night, as poor sleep can negatively impact your weight. Additionally, manage stress through relaxation techniques like meditation or yoga. Stress can trigger emotional eating and interfere with your weight loss efforts. Remember, sustainable weight loss is a gradual process, and it's essential to make long-term lifestyle changes rather than rely on quick fixes or fad diets. Consulting with a healthcare professional or a registered dietitian can provide personalized advice and guidance tailored to your specific needs and health conditions.